Very good morning, students. I am L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School as your SST teacher. Dear students, we have started chapter 4, First Cities. As in the last explanation, we have seen that what type of people were there in the Indus Valley civilization and what does civilization mean. It was very clearly explained by me that a civilization signifies a highly developed way of living characterized by a developed social system and technological development. Also, it involves a community of people who share certain values, concepts, and practices crucial for their progress and growth. Further, the next topic we shall discuss what type of their town planning was. How did they develop their town planning? Town planning is one of the unique features of the Indus Valley civilization. Most of the cities seem to be divided into two parts. The citadel, which was located on a raised ground, and the lower town located at a lower height. Often walls of baked brick were built around each part. These walls probably protected them from floods. To make the walls strong, the bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern. Here we can imagine that how good their town planning was. Most of the cities, as we can say, what the evidences we have found through excavation, most of the cities seem to be divided into parts, and the citadel, one citadel was there. Citadel means the buildings which was made एट रेस पॉइंट्स, रेस पार्ट्स मतलब उठे हुए भाग पर, ऊंचे भाग पर साइटेडल बनाया जाता था ताकि वहाँ पर जो भी ग्रैनरीज वगैरह रखी जाती थी, मीन्स फूड ग्रेन्स वगैरह, दे कुड बी सेफ एंड शुड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय. द साइटेडल which was located on the raised ground and the lower town located at a lower height. Often walls of baked brick were built around each part. जो बाकी शहर नीचे के तरफ, नीचे की हाइट में बसते थे, साइटेडल ऊपर की तरफ से होता था. वाल जो बनते थे वो बेक्ड ब्रिक से बने, पके हुए ईंटे से बनाए जाते थे चारों तरफ से. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दीज वॉल्स प्रोटेक्टेड देम फ्रॉम फ्लड्स. इसलिए बनाते थे कि जो है फ्लड से दीवारों की और घरों का बचाव हो सके. टू मेक द वॉल्स स्ट्रांग द ब्रिक्स वेयर लेड इन एन इंटरलॉकिंग पैटर्न. इसको इंटरलॉकिंग पैटर्न में घर को बनाते थे ताकि फ्लड वगैरह से इसको कोई हार्म नहीं हो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज साइटेडल. इट वॉज द रेज्ड पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. इट वॉज ऑफन डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द fort or administrative block. This was very important building during the Harappan civilization. It was also considered as administrative block. और हमेशा इसको ऊंचे भाग पर जो है, उठे हुए भाग पर शहर के बनाया जाता था. The citadel had massive walls. बहुत सारे इसमें walls बनाए जाते थे. So many walls were there. The walls provided protection against floods. The citadel consisted of important buildings like the granary and the assembly or town hall. The granary at Mohenjo-daro was the largest building of the city. In Harappa, there were as many as 6 granaries. These were circular brick platforms for threshing grains. Near these granaries, cracked grains found on the threshing floors show that the Harappan grew wheat and barley. It shows that the citadel consisted of important building like granaries. साइटेडल का यूज़ ग्रैंडीज के लिए किया जाता था. ग्रैंडीज मीन्स द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ ग्रेन्स, जहाँ पर जो अनाज जैसे गेहूँ और बैरली रखा जाता था उसको ग्रैंडीज कहते हैं. और बहुत सारे इसमें टाउन हॉल्स भी साइटेडल में बनाए जाते थे. द ग्रैंडरी एट मोहनजोदड़ो वाज द लार्जेस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑफ द सिटी. ये सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग हुआ करती थी मोहनजोदड़ो की. इन हड़प्पा देयर वेयर एज मेनी एज 6 ग्रैंडरीज. ड्यूरिंग द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन 6 granaries were there. These were circular brick platforms for threshing grains. ग्रेन्स को थ्रेश करने में, मड़ाई करने के काम में लिए जाते थे. सर्कुलर ब्रिक्स से प्लेटफार्म बनाया जाता था जिससे थ्रेशिंग करते थे. नियर दीज ग्रैनरीज क्रैक्ड ग्रेन्स फाउंड ऑन द थ्रेशिंग फ्लोर show that the Harappan grew wheat and barley. All such evidences shows that Harappan were known to produce wheat those days. The lower town. How was lower town? Also figure 4.2 shows that citadel showcases to excellence that Indus people had achieved in architecture. Means how fine city was there. Through excavation what the evidences of buildings we have found, it shows through this picture. ये सारी खुदाई में बिल्डिंग और इसका सारा जो है टाउन सिस्टम मिला है, किस तरह के लोग वहाँ थे और कैसे रहते थे, क्या इनका आर्किटेक्चर था. द लोअर टाउन. द लोअर टाउन वाज लोकेटेड बिलो द साइटेडल where probably the common people lived. लोअर टाउन में कॉमन लोग रहते थे और अपने जीवन को यहाँ पर बिताते थे. इट वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक्स बाई वाइड रोड्स. यहाँ रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक्स हुआ करते थे, चौड़े चौड़े रोड थे. द रोड्स रन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ एंड ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. Here the remains of the brick houses can be seen. The drainage system was praiseworthy. Provisions were made for street lighting. All such types of developmental activities took place during Harappan civilization. Means well-developed cities and towns were those days in Harappan civilization. Next, that is the Great Bath. What was Great Bath? Close to the granary there was the Great Bath. It was a pool built of mud circles. It was sealed with a salt of tar and had a drain for keeping it clean. There were 2 flights of steps to enter into the pool. A well discovered on the eastern side is supposed to have been used to fill the pool. Priests and rulers may have bathed here before religious ceremonies. The Great Bath shows that people made a pool, a pond for bathing, and it was just beside the granaries, जहाँ पर अन्न का भंडारण होता था. Figure 4.3 shows the Great Bath. and steps were there from two sides to enter into the great wall. Salt of tar and had a drain for keeping it clean. ड्रेन को क्लीन करने के लिए जो तालाब में पानी लेके जाता था वहाँ पर साल्ट ऑफ ताज का यूज किया जाता था. There were two flights of steps to enter into the pool. A well discovered on the eastern side is supposed to have been used to fill the pool. और यहाँ पर जो भी डिस्कवर किया गया था उससे माना जाता है कि ईस्टर्न साइड में ये जो है एक वेल वहाँ पे जो है डिस्कवर ईस्टर्न साइड में डिस्कवर किए थे. माने वो तालाब भी वहाँ खोदते थे, तालाब भी वहाँ खोदे और कुआँ भी वहाँ खोदे हुए थे उस पूल को फिल करने के लिए, माने पानी की सोर्स को मेंटेन करने के लिए. प्रीस्ट्स एंड रूलर्स में है बार्थ हियर बिफोर रिलीजियस सेरेमनी. कोई भी धार्मिक कर्मकांड से पहले यहाँ पर जो प्रीस्ट थे या जो भी रूलर्स थे यहाँ पर स्नान करते थे फिर जाते थे. हाउसेस देखते हैं, हाउसेस कैसे थे. हाउसेस वेयर 1 or 2 stories high. All the houses were made of baked bricks of uniform size. Every house had 2 or more rooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, circular ovens, and a country yard. The houses were also provided with doors and small windows. They had thick walls that kept the houses cool. Windows did not open into the main street, due to which the houses were free from dust and noise. Roofs of the houses were flat and most of the houses had well bathrooms and drains. सारे घरों में वेल्स हुआ करते थे, ड्रेन्स थे और बाथरूम्स हुआ करते थे. मोस्टली 2 room sets they made in their buildings and they used for their life. Drainage. The drains were made of baked or keen-fired bricks. The kitchen and the bathrooms had drains leading out in the alleys. The main drain ran alongside the main roads. We are going to end this video up to here. Next we shall see in the next video. Till then, thanks.